Low outside temperature message in Nissan. This message pops up on the dash when it's colder than 37 degrees Fahrenheit or 3 degrees Celsius. It warns you that if your car has summer tires on it, things may go bad for you. The road is cold, the tires are hard, and the traction may change. So you may just press OK or skip and keep driving. This is not the indication that something is wrong with your car. This is just the warning to take care on the road due to cold conditions. I have an article with detailed information about this warning. It's linked in the description. You may actually turn off the warning. You go to Settings, choose LCY or Low Outside Temperature box, depending on the generation of your Nissan, then choose Off in the next menu. That's all. If the message shows up when the temperature is much warmer than 37 degrees Fahrenheit, you may need to replace the outside temperature sensor. Alternatively, your 12-volt battery may be too low and the car starts glitching and showing random error messages and warnings.